Have you ever tasted a pastry so crisp and buttery, it instantly transports you to a different place? Hi, I'm Chef Salar and I'm going to teach you how to create desserts that do exactly that, right from your own kitchen. In this class, you'll learn the secrets behind 3 of the world's most irresistible pastries: the buttery caramelized Kouign-amann, New York roll in lemon meringue and chocolate Rocher flavors, and the classic flaky French croissant. Whether you're dreaming of opening your own bakery, leveling up your cafe menu, or simply want to wow your customers with something new, this class is for you. Sign up now and let's create something delicious together. Only here at the Bailiwick Academy.